top 10, we going viral. You heard? Top 10, that I alive, swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Back to SS here. I heard you got some new stuff on the car. What you got, bro? What's this?
Oh, yeah, you know what I'm saying? We got a little air for you, feel me? Basically what I told y'all before. We on the E, you know what I'm saying? Corn.
Cold.
Do you think everyone should be eating corn?
No, not everyone has to like it to be the best. It's cold.
Rotafab intake. We got Texas speed headers.
We gonna get to that later.
We got the Swole mobile Wi-Fi.
Swole mobile Wi-Fi. What that is? How much that is a month?
$24.99, man. You feel me? But we're not paying that though. We only paying $2.99. You feel me?
$3 a month for that All-Star shit. You crash, them niggas be calling you when you outside the car.
Am I ever gonna use it? Probably not. But guess what? That Wi-Fi convenience. Look at that connection. You see that shit? Yes, sir. AT&T boy.
What he said?
I don't know what he said, but
yeah, he said go.
I don't know what he said.
He said go ahead, go ahead. This nigga having the most fun in the world, bro. Slides too.
Yeah. Easy with it, man. Free my dog, man.
Free my dog, yeah, bro.
Don't put that though. I ain't gonna Don't put that one there though. Yo. That don't they head up every time. We just raise up on it. We take that shit and then we sync with it. We sync with it, bro. Boom. Bro, you do that every time, bro. That's what I wanted, bro.
Every single red light?
Merry Christmas, bro. No, chill.
That red light no more.
We're a second generation bad guy now. No more the first generation ignorant shit. You feel me? And we got this shit in the back number.
Nigga drifted into the gas station, fam. $2.99 for the corn in Orlando, bro.
Don't see my pen now.
Back up.
Put my whole card out. Like, cards feel different, bro.
When you took off, bro, and that shit squatted, I'm like, I know he moving.
Nah, that shit feel different. It feel a lot more torque, especially down low. The Booster Civic pulling up. Jeez. Shit clean. That boy said he don't want no smoke. What you trying?
I need tires too.
Nah. 46 to fill up on E, and it was like what? Like
under a quarter. It was like
a little bit under a quarter.
It burned quicker though.
Yeah.
But I'm straight with that.
It's worth it, bro. It's worth it. Good, little man. Are you punching me? Yeah, give me. What? Nah. What?
Bun and donut.
Huh?
I like bun and donut.
Oh, shit, you gonna do donut? It's not stock anymore, what?
Oh, yeah, we left that stuff behind.
This fucking shit is bigger than my head. Explain to them, please, what the fuck this is.
It's a 2019 2SS Chevy Camaro, as y'all can see. Little upgrades since the last time y'all probably seen. Rotafab quarter intake. It is oil. DSX fuel sensor right there, so I am running the car. We got it all. Butter on the car, mask, all of that. Everything.
So that's what they added in for the...
Yeah, for sure. Yep. we already there. See, Mom keep looking. Yes, we got our TSPs, our Texas speed headers, 1 and 7 AC. You feel me? We do have the S500, but ain't no real way for y'all to see that. Wait, I'm bagged. You can if I wanted to.
Oh shit, my fault.
As you guys can see too, we got our fly air struts right there. Peep my boy right there. Get a little
Fly
you know
air.
what I'm saying? Yeah, we are bagged and yeah, we love it. All right, I ain't gonna lie, I do need to clean out my trunk, but basically,
clean, bro.
so if you ever need to pump up your air in your tire, you got that. Or after you wash your car, you know that little drip that hang off from your side view mirror? Blow it out. You got leaves in the corner, blow it out. Where you see the leaves at? Ain't none. Blew them out. All right, look in the back now. We got a little 5-gallon in the back. I had a little platform poppy fly, added that in there too. Nice guy. You got 2 dual compressors running in the back, and then the management is right under here. There with the amp as well.
Tucked up nice and neat though.
Very much so. That right there is what you call a bag V8, ladies and gentlemen. So, oops, my bad. Shout out. I ain't gonna lie, I almost lost my life. And we got 5 all around and then 30 on the front.
Yeah. Glass high. That's a mirror, nigga. It's tough. Respectable, very respectable.
But yeah, that's pretty much what it is, y'all boys. Next clip, you'll see your boy Corey over here whipping it.
Do I need to be in SRT mode?
That's what I do. I mutt every single day. That's why I told Rohan. I said I don't have the Mopar jump, but I got the Chevy Shuffle though. No. That got the Chevy Shuffle,
Bro, the back seat in this car is completely non-existent.
You gotta have this one drunk person lay down in the back. Okay. That's all you can do. Yep, just lay down. That's for the drunk person. I told you, bro. If we're ever downtown, drunk motherfuckers, yeah. And where you at right there? I'm gonna get a pillow and all. A pillow and a garbage bag.
Just make sure I get a blankie. What you call that?
Chevy Shuffle.
The Chevy Shuffle. Oh shit.
Part jump for here is the Chevy Shuffle.
Got the Hellcat in the back. Turn right here, turn right.
You gotta give him the full service, man. Put both his feet out, bro. Come on.
My bad. God damn it. I realize
but he don't be treating none of his cheeks right
yeah,
out.
Bro.
Make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga.
Thank you, bro. Damn, awesome. The Chevy Shuffle. Yeah. The Chevy Shuffle. This nigga damn near broke my damn the knee, bro.
just wasted a long ass drive for nothing. I could have did a flyby.
Hellcat flybys today. We got Camaro flybys today. Some muscle car channel today, y'all. I know y'all some Civic niggas, but fuck them you real quick. You know what I'm saying? Like the video and subscribe. Oh, that's not even him. That's a random ass Hellcat. I thought that was a Charger. Nah, his shit is louder. His shit louder than the cat right now.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie.
That's crazy.
That dude was giddying up, bro.
Giddying
that
up.
was giddying up. Bro, I was in my SUV. I was like, bro, I let you pass. What the fuck you switch your lanes for, bro? You hear a bullet coming down the road. Stay your ass still, nigga.
It's like with that car, bro, you gotta like drive like SpongeBob, bro. You gotta put your big toe on it to drive it. What? Sorry? No!
Freeze, mister! Big toe.
Yeah, bro. Even when you put your big toe, nigga, that shit.
Like, you see, I'm driving barefoot, bro. I got it, bro.
God damn. Imagine with a Whipple.
I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Imagine with a
Camaro was
supercharger.
automatic, bro. I wish this shit was manual, bro. This shit
Manual, you feel
bro.
all the power, everything,
This
bro.
shit is nasty. Oh
Everything,
my God.
bro. You know what I'm saying?
I'm with this shit. God damn, yo! What the f, bro?
Be careful now, Spirit.
Yo!
Yeah, be careful, bro. Don't be popping it like that, bro. Especially while you turning, nigga. Don't be doing all that.
Bro, I didn't know it was gonna do all that. Used to a Honda.
Yeah, no, you gotta take it easy.
I realized the first time I drove it, it wasn't like that. Okay. I said that's. You said it was dangerous, bro. You said it was dangerous. I've done a lot of crazy stuff in my lifetime, bro. Trust. This car is dangerous. I see that.
German car. This ain't for corners. Not for corners.
I was not on the corner. Bro, relax, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, all right.
That shit funny as hell. When you the one doing it. How the fuck?
Okay.
Yo, what the fuck? Hold up. How this shit work? Oh yeah, bag niggas, yeah. Y'all know how this shit work. I don't really. Oh shit. Facts. I think I did it. Go ahead. My ears.
I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
Riding around, got niggas thinking it's my Camaro. Look at this shit. Yeah, you probably think this shit mine. You know what I'm saying? It's probably an RS. What kind of Camaro is this? SS. 2 SS.
My sister.
Would you like me to continue?
Bro, what's up with you, bro? Come on, bro. Attach the pole, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Look at you.
Insert coin to continue.
Was she fried yet?
Yeah.
Yo.
He keeps saying this to me, bro.
Hey, that nigga probably in the back.
Go.
Don't recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays at the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar.